Hey, welcome to the Educated Affiliate. My name is Damo, and today we're going to talk about the one thing in my affiliate marketing experience that changed everything for me, absolutely everything. And it's a simple thing. It really is. It's not mind-blowing in the sense that you're going to get this piece of software, you're going to get this tool, you're going to get this one thing that tells you how, and what you're going to do. What it's going to do is going to give you assurance or reassurance. And it's going to tell you, look, there are many different roads to success in this thing, right? You just want to break that frustration barrier, get past it, past the fear, right, to success. And there's many ways to do that. And you can't compare yourself to anyone that's out there that's doing anything. That's your death mode right there. So look, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, there's many different ways. You can go on many different YouTube channels. I go on many different YouTube channels. I watch many different YouTube to get ideas. I read blogs. I do all kinds of stuff. You can gather this information yourself. Like I said, this, we're the affiliate, the Educated Affiliate, and we offer a sort of a done-for-you program with the Master Affiliate Profit. And the way you can check that out basically is just look through our free report, which tells you how to become an affiliate marketer, and it sort of condenses everything that you would get if you were to go out there and search throughout the internet and find out, what it is to become an affiliate marketer. If you want that report, you simply can go to the Educated Affiliate, or you can just put MAP inside the comments and I will send a report to you. Okay. So let's talk about the one thing. The one thing, people look at me and they listen to my videos, they comment on my videos, and, some are good, some are bad, some are whatever. It doesn't matter to me. You know what I do? I learn something, I share something. I learn something, I share something. I don't care that it's not this super duper edit. In fact, I don't even do any edits. I used to do a bunch of edits, and it took so much time. It was crazy. I mean, what is one edit cut gonna do to another one, and turn somebody's mind around in terms of wanting to work with us or wanting to learn from us or whatever. It's really not going to change anybody's mind. So I adopted the phrase, and I think I give credit to Adam and Freud for this phrase. It's just got to be good enough, right? So when you get out there, the whole idea of affiliate marketing is you got to, build a list. Well, how do you build a list? You got to draw traffic, right? That's the key. The bottom line is key. Well, how do you draw traffic? Well, for me, I have my blog. I have my YouTube channel. I've talked about this many times. I'm starting to use Pinterest. I'm starting to use Twitter. I'm starting to do Reels. I'm getting in with the kids, man. They're showing my daughter, showing me how to do things. And, it's fascinating. It's a lot of fun. All those things are drawing traffic into, and for us old folks, we still use Facebook. But all those things are drawing traffic into, where my offers are, where my opportunities are, just the free information that I give out. I give a ton of free information out there so that people can learn on their own if they want to do that. You certainly can do that. There's so many places to learn. But eventually you've got to get to a space where you have something to offer. And it may not be on YouTube. It may not be, something that puts your face out there or makes you get out there, but it's just got to be good enough. So many people want to write the perfect blog post. So many people want to do the perfect video. And then they compare themselves to all these pros that are out there. And every single pro I have seen, every single one has said, you should have seen my original videos. They were horrible. And I look forward to that day because I have so much fun with this stuff. I'm just sitting here in my living room and enjoying, gathering information and then sharing information. That's all I do. Really, that's what affiliate marketing is all about, or at least this type of affiliate marketing. I mean, even if you're doing, I have two other websites. I have one is skatecamp.org, and I do skateboard stuff now. I'm not a skateboarder. I don't do anything about it. I never did skateboard. I think I fell on my ass once, and that was the end for me. But I love the genre, and I bought a great URL domain and had good authority, and so I started building the site. And so I would learn about it and I would share about it. But mainly that was just to get people to Amazon. I just did affiliate marketing with Amazon, and I relied on SEO. Technical stuff. So you can do that too. That doesn't have to be good enough. That just has to be good enough as well until you start to learn what makes it better, what makes it better, what makes it better. Because I'll tell you what, if you don't start off at a point where it's just good enough, you are never going to get to great, right? because you're never going to learn and fail. And I won't even call it fail. I would just say, learning to put yourself out there, or learning SE or technical stuff if you want to stay behind the scenes, whatever it is, you've got to learn. And the worst thing is not even failing, really. The worst thing is being stagnant. If you're doing something and it's just kind of going along at the same pace and you're not really making any progress, that's the worst thing of all, and where most people quit, right? They don't get past the frustration level. They don't get past the fear level to where the success is, right? Because it's not down here. And all because they just wanted something great to start off with. They don't, they're afraid of being good enough, just good enough, to get by. And I'll tell you something. If you don't get to that point, if you're not afraid to sort of be, if you're afraid to be, out there and fail at what you're doing, or not, put forth the best message ever, you're never going to get to the point where you aspire to be. And it's always like that, right? Our fantasies, our ideas of where we want to go are always greater. Have you ever gone on a trip where you had this idea of what it was? Let's say it was London, right? And you had this idea of walking into old London like it was back in Sherlock Holmes time or something. And then you get there and you get to downtown London and it's just like your city. I've done that before. And sure, there's old London and there's all kinds of places you can go. But the fantasy of being there was always greater than the reality of it. And then once obviously you go and experience those places and you have a lot of fun, and it's a wonderful experience, but nothing compares to fantasy what it is. Well, the same thing is with you, right? You have this fantasy of who you are. I do it with music all the time, right? I'm a hobbyist. I play piano and I have good rhythm, but I'm not a performer. I get nervous when I play in front of somebody, but yet I have this grandeur, me playing in a band and just rocking out, That's probably never going to happen. And you got to be okay with it, because I still play the piano every day and I get so much pleasure and so much enjoyment from it. So you've got to be able to say, you know what, this is good enough. I've learned something, I'm going to share something, and I'm going to do my best with it. And it's got to be just, you just got to think it's good enough. It doesn't have to be perfect. And once I learned that, once I was able to get past the fact that, oh my God, I got to edit this, or I got to do this, or I got to make this so much better, you will jump leaps and bounds in your ability to put content out there and get traffic and start to build your affiliate business. And you'll see how this thing grows. It's inevitable. It's inevitable. It has to happen. And, you just got to keep plugging away and say, this is good enough. All right. You guys have a good day. We'll see you next time.